Hello. Hello, donkey. Hi, donkey. Hey, everybody. This is Larry. This is day 12. Yeah, of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about the intro. Still in Aruba, though I think the intro is from the day before, but hope you enjoy it. Anyway, today's problem is maximum erasure value. What does that mean? You're given a positive integer nums and want to erase a subarray containing unique numbers. The score you get is equal to the sum of the elements. Return this. I'm trying to understand whether the score is the sum of the elements after you erase the subarray or the sum of the subarray that you removed. That's slightly ambiguous, which is why I'm a little confused, but I guess that's okay. Okay, return the maximum score by exactly one array. So okay, let's see. Okay, so yeah, there is the subarray that is left, or not the subarray that's left, just the array that is left. Okay. Isn't this literally the opposite of... Oh wait, no, wait. So you can erase a subarray that contains unique elements. Okay. Wait. No. So you want a subarray that is unique. Okay. I mean, its element was very confusing for me. I think that someone, is there even an edit button or whatever? I guess not. But I wish that they changed it to the sum of the sum of the subarray that you're erasing. Otherwise, there are two things, right? Like there's the subarray and then the actual array. Okay, but sorry, it took me like a minute to understand. Maybe I'm just like been in the sun all day, been on the beach all day, and kind of a little bit maybe just off today because I did the bi-weekly earlier today, and it was literally my worst performance I've ever done on Leetcode, I think, mostly because I don't know. I blame it. I don't think I own 100% of the responsibility, but I think Leetcode is just a little bit inconsistent with their I think Leetcode contests recently have been encouraging a lot of either YOLOing or guessing, and I think that's a shame because I think for the most part they're good, but some of these things has been mucking it up. Okay, so you just wanted a subarray that has unique value and has the most things. So let's get started. This is, again, I guess this is a what you would call it, sliding window 2 pointers week. So that's basically the way that we're going to do it, and that's the same idea, right? Is that we have and the first thing that we do, and it's kind of I feel a little sad because during the bi-weekly contest today, earlier today for me, maybe last night for some of you, this is like mostly the same code, but I voted really quickly, maybe because I was a little bit on tilt from the problem before, and I swapped some of the things, and then it led to a wrong answer, and debugging. So it cost 8 minutes of penalty, which is very sad, on top of just being a crap contest. But okay, so the idea here is to find your left and your right? So for here, I'm going to say that I want the left and the right to be inclusive, meaning that when we have the number for every left and right, if we process left and right after we move the pointers as much as we need to, then we're going to have both numbers. So okay, let's say, so do this for right. I'm going to write this a little bit differently just for the viewers at home because I want to make this a little bit clearer, and it'll be clear if I can type this correctly. But yeah, but we start right at 0, and now it contains nothing yet. But so while right is equal to n, we increment right at the end. But yeah, so then first of all, at this is kind of, you have to be clear on what it is. But right at this point right now, right is exclusive, left is inclusive, right? And then now we process it. How do we process it, right? Well, we see a number, Okay, so we have to keep track of stuff that's inside the window. So I'm just going to call it total. And then we also have best, which is just the best score that we can get. And then okay. And then maybe just keep track of because we want unique elements. If we have two elements of the same type in the same window, then that's no bueno. So that means that we want to keep track of whether we have a given number in the thing. So for that, let's use a set, right? So then now we can go, this is really weird because on the binary or bi-weekly, this was supposed to be a hard, but this is the same code pretty much. But yeah, now we process right? So then now we process right by saying if num sub right is in scene, or while this is true, so this is before we have right. Let's say we want to process right now. If the number already exists, then we want to move left until it doesn't, so that this holds. So yeah, then num sub left, right? What do? We go scene that we move num sub left, and the invariant here is that we only have one copy, so we can remove it, and then left increment 1. And in the binary weekly, I mixed up these two order, so that's where the situation. And here, left is inclusive again, right? Yeah, and that's pretty much it. And then here, and then when we remove this number, we want to subtract it from the total. And then after this is done, we want to process right. And that's pretty much it. Well, maybe. Now we have to keep track of the best score, of course. And then now this is pretty much it. Hopefully I'm right and don't have silly mistakes like I did during the contest. I was just rushing it because I think, I don't know, sloppy is sloppy. But yeah, let's give it a quick submit, see how that goes. Cool. 803-day streak. This is going to be linear time, linear space due to this thing is O of n space, but this is going to be linear time of this because each number can only be removed and added once, right? So in total, it's going to be linear time, amortized analysis. Cool. That's all I have. Let me know what you think. Yeah. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye-bye.